Airbnb hosts, be warned. New guests are mostly fools. But that does not fix the issue. It can be a rough ride hosting a guest new to Airbnb. Some have twisted expectations, do not understand the common niceties, and they will easily give you a bad review. Let's educate them. Hi, Johan here. Welcome and thank you. We are Superhost Agency of memory creators and hustling Airbnb management and unlocking value in Cape Town. Next week we look at why you should do instant bookings. Hit that subscribe button, ring the bell and stay in touch. When a guest books with previous 0 reviews, be aware. Most of them have no clue what to expect. Is it a hotel? Will I get breakfast? Where's my gown? Why is there not someone at the door 24/7? If you do not go out of your way to address their expectations early, you may have an issue you could have prevented. I suggest you do the following. Ask them pre-arrival and wherever possible to give you 5-star reviews. When they leave, see my video on how to ask here. Tell them what you expect. A neat and tidy home when they leave. Bed stripped. Respect the neighbors. Take out the dustbin, etc. Never forget. Tell them to inform you immediately when they have an issue. Tell them not to wait for the review to tell you. Then it is too late. Just this week we had a new guest with no previous bookings. With COVID-19, we give remote access. She arranged the business meeting, informed us about it, but the meeting turned into a party. We had to ask them to respect the neighbors and the local regulations. We gave her a critical but fair public review and gave her advice in the private area. In exchange for the 5-star home, she gave us a 4-star overall because she could not work the dishwasher. By not meeting her, she may not have been aware of the operation manual. It is easy to blame guests for being a fool, but look at our own procedural changes. COVID made us stop selling our experiences in person because of social distancing. Guests don't get the local authentic feel, meat, whatever. There's no obligation from the guest to reward a host for the great treatment, the great experience. That is why you must do everything possible to provide an experience, a welcoming, a setting, expectations, asking for 5-star reviews, even on the phone while under COVID. Again, be careful with new Airbnb guests. Next week we will look at why you should use instant booking while limiting new or poor guests. Have fun. Johan Horak. P.S. The more they care about you, the more 5-star reviews you will get. Is that not what you want?